Hey guys, what is up? This is DK Vlogs and welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing what is very popular on Instagram and Facebook. It is called the Pancake Art Challenge. The way it works is that, it's really simple. Is that one person chooses the what we're gonna be making, and me and Dilla are going to be having to make it with pancake biscuit with food coloring in it. So that's pretty much how it goes, and hopefully you guys enjoy. So we're going to have my mom pick what we're going to make. So what are we going to be making today?
Who was it, Della?
And guys, do you know why he's wearing gloves? Because
I have type A flu, but that won't stop us from making a video. We're still going to make a video for you guys. And so what are we going to be making?
I want you to create a flower.
A flower, okay. So the colors that we have are blue, green, red, and yellow. I'm very excited about this.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Remember the pan is hot.
oh yeah,
Isn't that coming out?
I forgot what I wanted to use. Tried so hard.
It's gonna work quick, because it'll start cooking on you.
There we go.
Gorgeous.
Let me tell you what I tried to draw. It's a kind of flower, and it's called a rose. Tried so hard.
Della, you sure you don't want to add
Add what?
anything?
Oh, it's a rose. So,
Okay. There'll be you run out of time in order to flip it, because half of it will be ready to flip and half of it won't.
Ready? Now we have to let it bake.
Do I turn this off? Or do I
Bake,
keep videoing?
goodness sake, bake.
So hopefully this goes well. I'm very excited. This is actually our first ever run of doing this. So why not share it with you guys, and hope there's gonna be some funny bloopers.
I really hope I can win.
So
Well,
Della
everybody's a winner.
Della went for a rose. I actually like it because the stem, it looks like there's a leaf.
Mm-hmm.
And I went for a rose with
Some blue around it?
with some blue, and I went for the yellow in the middle. So I'm really excited about this, and I really hope this works. Oh, shit, it's gonna be cool. We will be eating these later on in the video.
Don't let your video.
This is round one, and I'm hoping that this will go well. I think they're just about ready.
I don't see any bubbles yet.
This is gonna be really cool.
Wait for the bubbles.
Guys, this is gonna be really cool. We saw this on one of the videos, and we really wanted to do this. So that's why we got the stuff. But it's not, well, I don't know what video it's called, but
It's called the Pancake Art Challenge on Colin's K YouTube channel. Go check them out.
yeah. And they have new puppies.
Yeah, to make slime. It's really cool. But back to the pancakes. I think it's just about ready. I think we're just about to flip Della's.
Well, we're gonna try to. Need a little bit more connecting right there because it's not gonna flip together. No, Della, it's okay.
Oh. Let's see the flip. That was a perfect flip. Look at that. That's an amazing rose.
Actually,
Della
yeah.
rose. She wanted to do a rose because that is actually her part of her name. And I love it, actually. That's amazing.
Can't wait to eat it.
Alright. Here you go, Bubba. You ready?
Bubba, are you ready?
Bubba.
Yeah.
Oh no, that is nifty.
That's really pretty.
Oh, that's cool.
That's really.
I think Della won this round.
I don't know. They're both very cool in different ways. Because yours has the color layering.
But I really think that Della would wins this round.
But it does look the most like a rose.
It's beautiful. I love the stem. It's amazing.
Be cool, Dell.
It's amazing. Good job.
Good job, Bub.
Now I can make whatever we want.
Yes, honey.
Good job. So make sure to smash the like button on this video. We are going to round 2. We're going to round 2. And we will see you guys in just a minute.